What this mother did to her own daughter is something you genuinely cannot wrap your head around. And when officers finally sat her down and asked her directly, she admitted everything.
Going. I'm Sergeant Hobby. This is Officer Kling. There you go.
My name's Megan, hon. How are you?
You dealt with me multiple times.
So,
I'm good.
let's see this footage you got.
Alright, the girl in blue is 18, almost 19.
Okay.
Hey! I got that.
Who is it?
Her name's Destiny Britton. My mom started yelling at me because she was on my sister's side for some odd reason.
She's telling her to shut the up.
After I've done been hit in the head and everything.
And she's sitting there calling for help. She told them she wanted to call the cops. They was trying not to let her do it. And then afterwards, she told them she wanted to press charges, and her parents wouldn't let her press charges. I just found out about the situation today, and I told her we would make a trip down here.
I want to press charges on Destiny.
Oh, yeah, obviously. Oh, okay. Did your mom put her hands on you?
No.
Not at all?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to look this report up that Officer View took, because I called him about it, and he was getting a little bit different story, so I just got to read through what he has and get the understanding.
Yeah.
So, from what I'm getting from you and understanding now, so this incident happened, and it seems like your mom was trying to cover stuff up. Is that what I'm understanding?
It wasn't my mom, it was my sister.
Your sister? Okay.
And everybody else.
Okay.
But her mom stuck up for her sister.
Okay.
And I don't think that's right.
Did your sister put her hands on you too?
My sister's just 17.
Yeah, but still, did she put her hands on you? Do we know if John
Yeah,
he did the juvenile side for that?
So
Yes.
Okay.
What I guess he was advised was that they were both fighting each other and siblings, and then the parents were like,
So just normal sibling stuff,
it's
and then
okay,
mom got
and then so
mom got
nothing got
upset.
sent through to juvenile.
She told my sister to put me in the mouth, but then the almost 19-year-old wanted to, and then
Do you know where she lives at?
she lives somewhere in Benton.
I think she's in the report.
Nobody wanted to talk when officers arrived. The family said no charges. The victim stayed silent to protect her mom, who'd just gotten out of rehab. It took a stranger finding her walking alone to change everything.
Because he had to
Get her
She
information.
had
Get her
a
information.
but it was invalid.
So
Yeah.
Okay, that's the one.
the
Okay.
warrant was invalid, and they
All right, so we'll get one from her real quick,
I
and then
would
we're
go
gonna get one from
ahead.
you as well.
That's fine.
I would
There you
go ahead and notify
Go get my car from me.
Jess
Shut the
Yeah.
door.
because of the situation has now changed,
Yes.
and you have
Yeah.
an adult with a juvenile.
You got your driver's license on you?
Yeah, actually, it's in my pocket. So I just want to make it known that her mom told them to do it. She's scared to admit to it because her mom's on probation and she doesn't want to lose her mom because
So
her mom just spent a
her
year in
mom
rehab.
told her sister and this chick to whoop
Her
up
mom
on her?
told them, she turned around and said, y'all take care of it, because she was being an asshole. She's 13, they got
Mm-hmm.
attitudes. She turned around and told the two little girls to take care of it. Her little sister pulled her out the car and let the other little girl
Would you be willing to put that on statement for me? Okay. Hey, Megan, were you able to figure out what it was all over? Or because Lindsay was acting, being...
Shut the door!
Shut the door quick. Thank you.
So I guess Lindsay and Jade were fighting, like
Lindsay and
actually
Jade
fighting.
being fighting, sister stuff.
And she was being loud and hollering.
She's
Yeah,
born
right,
99.
report. Lindsay was being
she's
loud
okay.
and hollering, and Becky turned around and told Jade, take care of it, pop her in the mouth.
So the mom...
The mom turned around.
her and her sister were fighting. Like sisters do. Mom told them to handle it and turn around.
The mom turned around. They were sitting in her mom's car. She's got a rental car right now. She's sitting in her mom's car. Her mom's in the driver's seat. She turned around, looks at Jade and Jade's little friend, and said, handle the situation. Jade, pop her in the mouth. The little girl, Destiny, said, oh, I want to do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Jade got out the car, pulled Lindsay out the car, and then that's the video I showed you.
Okay.
And the mom was there the entire time, watched the entire thing.
Do y'all know Brooke, who a Brooke is?
Brooke?
Yeah. Ask her if she has a nickname, someone with a nickname that goes by Brooke. No, she's saying no. Hey, Miss Rebecca. Hi, you want to come talk to me for a few minutes, please, ma'am? If you don't mind. The incident yesterday at y'all's house, okay? Can you run me through that? What took place?
Lindsay had started just like with a complete attitude, being completely rude and disrespectful to everybody, horning, screaming, cussing. Her and Jade got into it physically a couple times.
And when you're talking about, who are you talking about?
Lindsay and Jade.
Okay.
And then it just kept escalating and escalating, and next thing I know, got pulled apart or whatever, and Lindsay kept on screaming at everybody, and she called the police.
You said Lindsay and Jade, your daughter's sisters, obviously.
Yeah.
They fight like siblings. I'm an only child, but from what I hear my friends, they fight with siblings.
Yes.
Okay. And where did all this take place?
In my yard.
In your yard? Y'all were in the car, from what I understand?
Yeah, we were in the car.
Okay. You did see Destiny hit Lindsay, correct?
I looked over and she was taking the last swing, but yeah.
Okay. And you understand how old Destiny is, correct? And how old your daughter is, okay? And at any point did you try to intervene, knowing that's your child and that's a legal adult?
I didn't get out of front of my going apart, but I didn't know where I would stop fighting.
Okay. Alright. What I'm understanding, Lindsay and Jade had been arguing and fighting. And Jade and Destiny, mainly Jade, tried to pull her out of the car. And then Destiny commits to whooping on her by grabbing her by the hair and hitting her with a closed fist.
I don't know, I didn't see it. They were behind me.
Okay.
I do know that Lindsay and Jade were fighting, Jade was trying to pull out of the car.
Mm-hmm.
How the incident between Lindsay and Destiny started, honestly, I don't know.
Did you at any point tell either Destiny or Jade to pop Lindsay in the mouth and shut her up?
Honestly, I did tell her sister to bust her down.
Okay. All right. Now,
Sergeant Hobby asked the mother one question. Did you give the order? She said yes. On camera, after Miranda. She watched it happen from the driver's seat. Never once got out of the car.
I'm going to let you know right now, okay, with what's going on, what's been brought to me. I have video footage, evidence of the incident, okay? Since Lindsay's 13, we're going to be doing a CAC interview, okay? Since she's been involved in a disturbance, a physical disturbance, and was assaulted and battered, okay? So, my supervisor, you know who I'm talking about, right? She's going to be contacting you tomorrow. If you do not comply, DHS will get involved, and at that point, it's out of our hands, okay? So, I need you to understand that, okay? I've got your phone number. I'm going to pass it along to my supervisor. 13-year-old's been assaulted by a legal adult, battered, okay? And we have seen the footage.
Right.
It does not look pretty, okay?
Right.
All right. Would you be willing to fill out another statement about what we just discussed and make it a more accurate statement, please? Thank you, Ms. Rebecca. I appreciate that. Sergeant Hobby, Alexander Police Department, okay? I'm going to serve you your warrant. I'm going to leave a citation in your box, all right? More just for battery third. If you want to talk to me about it, we can. I just have to read you your rights and all that. It's totally up to you if you want to talk to me. You do? Okay. Well, chair and sit here. I'm going to sit right here, okay? Oh, goodness. Before I talk to you, we go any further, okay? I'm going to read you your rights, all right? That way you don't say anything to incriminate yourself, all right? So, real quick, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer or want to be appointed to represent you for any questioning if you wish. You can decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand your rights as I explain them to you? Having these rights in mind, are you willing to answer any questions now without an attorney present? Do you have any ideas as to why you might have had a warrant?
Yeah, but like I know why, but like no one ever told me. I mean, she even told me like she didn't want to press charges, but her sister made her go up there and press charges on me and everything.
So here's the thing, okay? When it comes to certain charges, just because somebody doesn't want to press charges, the state can pick charges up based off of what happened. Okay? So you want to run me through the events of what happened that day?
Yeah,
And make sure you have to speak a little louder, okay? Because the jail, they'll be banging doors and everything else. So.
It was me, CJ, Lindsay, and her mom, and a few other people that came over. And Lindsay was sitting in the car and we was all outside. And Lindsay had an attitude, and I was already in a bad mood. And I'm not gonna lie, I done I had popped some Exos and I shouldn't have.
You've popped some what?
Exos.
What's that?
Pills.
Oh, okay. So you've taken prescription medication that's not yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
But She wouldn't, like, she just, like, kept, like, yelling and shit. And her mom was like, will somebody please, like, slap the fuck out of her or something? And then, I was like, let me do it. And I shouldn't have, but I looked up on
So,
things.
Miss Rebecca, their mom, told you to shut.
She didn't say, like, who, but she
She just said it out loud to
somebody.
shut somebody up, and you just took it upon yourself.
I'm pretty sure, yeah, there's a whole video.
Okay. So you took it upon yourself to shut her up, basically, because of how she was acting. Okay, so you know how old are you right now?
I'm 19.
19. But this happened right before your birthday, so you were 18 at the time. Okay, so you understand that she's a juvenile and you're a legal adult. So you know how that looks, right? So whenever Miss Rebecca told somebody to shut her up, what did you do then?
I was like, let me do it. And then Jade had pulled her out the car and I just threw her, like, for me to have her.
Okay,
And
then what?
I hit her, I think I hit her maybe 4 times. And I stopped. And I was like, fuck, you know?
Okay. Anything else you want to add to it? I mean, I appreciate cooperation and all that, okay? I do. But at the end of the day, you know, you gotta understand how bad that looks, though, okay? You're an 18 legal adult, and you put your hands on a juvenile, okay? So,
I'm trying to get clean, but it's getting hard.
well, I can tell you this much, it doesn't help who you hang around. If you put yourself in the position to be around what you're using, it's gonna make it harder to get clean, okay?
No, I don't have, like, any of my family at all. And I'm like, I literally.
So, I just wanna clarify, when you say you hit her, how did you hit her? Like open
I hit
hand,
her-
closed
it was
fist, like what all
clo-
you
It was
do?
close, but like she was facing that way, and I hit her like in the side of the head,
Like side of the head,
like the
face?
side of the head.
Okay, alright. Okie dokie. Well, real quick, while we're in here, I'm gonna go ahead and serve you your warrant, okay? So, it's just for 1 count battery, 3rd class A misdemeanor, okay? I appreciate your cooperation, Miss Destiny. We'll be right back through that door.
2 months later, Destiny confessed. The mother was charged with endangering. She gave the order, watched it happen, and tried to bury it. The victim daughter didn't fight back. She just called for help.